Hello students of Standard 5. Today we will learn Chapter 1, A Cat's Tale Revision. We have revision once and we learn once again, revise the full chapter. Today only one class will take the full chapter as a revision. Dear children, we have learned about the cat, and cat is a team. His name is Tim, not Tom. He is originally a breed of Korat. He is original from Thailand. Thailand, he says, is a beautiful place, and sea and mountains, beaches and mountains there is, but he has not seen the place. He feels that he could not go back to Thailand, but he was born in Delhi, and because of that he remained in India. He has no home, no parents, nowhere. Once happened that he met a cat who had visited Rashtrapati Bhavan. He was too much boasting. So Tim did not like that cat because too much over boasting. That Prime Minister touched his body. Rashtrapati said that you are the most beautiful cat, and so many things. Everybody patted all the minister and so. So he felt it was too much exaggerating. Tim says that all the cats are good climber. They can climb very fast, and also cat feel little proud. This Tim used to go to the park, sit on the wall and watch. Morning, elderly people used to come to park. They used to have walk, and after that they used to have laughter. Sometimes their laughter used to make frightened to Tim. In the evening, children used to come to park with their pet. Someone has dog, some cat, but they are tied up. Children play on the swing, slidings, all kinds of game they do, and also they eat. Tim used to watch that, and he used to feel that these cats, these pets are taken care so well, but he is unwanted, no one he has. But same time he consoles himself. He says that these pets are having no freedom. They are tied up. They are under control. They cannot move where they want. They cannot go where they like. They cannot eat what they like. They are given good food. Whether they like or not, that is master's wish. Master what gives, that only they have to eat. But where is for Tim? Tim can go around, jump around, can hunt anything to eat. What he gets, he eats. What he likes, that he eats. He has total freedom. He wanders one place to another, nobody to control. So that freedom he has. Where the pets are not having any freedom. They are tied up in the chain, in the belt, and they are tied somewhere. They are kept. They cannot move out. So he says, and for Tim happened that once he had gone to a school. There he liked to be there. Some children, but they were very, very naughty. They were mean to him. They always pulled his tail or hit him with the stones, which used to make him painful, frightened, and dislike the place. Where some children were there, very, very good. They liked to pat, they liked to talk, they used to catch and held it in the arms. So they liked. Tim called them and told, now I would like to leave the place. I don't want to be here because children are very, very naughty. I can't stay. When they kill me, when they hit me, I myself don't know. Tim says that he do not know what these children are going to do. The naughty children's behaviors are very, very bad. They don't understand things properly. They don't do anything. So they are unable to help him to stay. He liked the school to stay. Because of some notorious children, he is unable to stay there. He is frightened. He is afraid to be there. He does not know what to do. He thinks it will be very, very difficult to be with them. So children, how do you like? Do you like to have pet? Do you take care of the pet? Do you give them freedom? Do you understand their feelings, their pain, their difficulty? Or you like to throw the stones to all of them over each animal whenever you see any animals? Is it you feel like that? Do you think it is good to harm animals who cannot tell you that from where they are a stranger, or what they are, or they have left the place, how they have reached the place? Do you feel that? So dear children, we should learn how Tim says. So if you see any being mean to animal, you should tell them not to tease or hurt us. So cat says that Tim, that if you see any students, tell them not to beat, not to harm. Cats also, animal also have feeling, not to tease or hurt. We are fond of you and we are grateful to you for taking care of us. We are very fond of you. We are very grateful to you as you take care of us. But if you don't want to be kind to us, at least leave us alone. If you cannot be kind, if you cannot take care, leave us, don't disturb us, he says. Tim says, not to disturb. We can take care of ourselves. If you don't hurt us, if you don't harm us, we will manage to take care of ourselves. Thank you for listening. It was really nice of you. Take care. Bye-bye. So Tim says to the children, nice that you heard me. You took care of me. And now thank you so much. Bye-bye. So children, see, the animal, if they could speak, they could have spoken to us like that. So children, you should learn from Tim that he asked, he requested that not to harm, not to hurt, but take care of it, not to tease any animal. Thank you, children.